Shubor naga Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Ka company kaya kali Shaka ka Shadap automobile kabadan hamau blay lingba ubah kupar Shadap ubadai utrai ringkat manager u Vishal Nengnong haka arp kendai trek uleber araja apusan kasi sajan kila palat patba ya ka skuti Vespa Bathymmai kabala ban pendan kam Khlem Shabi kaba kerteng ka Vespa Tech kani kade ka Vespa Tech kaba Khlem Shabi kabala ru ban ong da ka ktien phareng da ka keyless Vespa scooty ha kani ka Vespa Bathymmai kabalashna ha Italy kadon ya kabashispa arpusan cc bat kabashispa sanpau cc kade ka scooty kaba pendat daki LED bulb kabadon ru ya ka bluetooth with music ne bat jingrai kumju ringkat ka navigation wat ya ka seat kaba syang unongnya kila ban play da kabanyon na ushabi bat ya ka door jongka kapoi Shaka ar lakduna da shilak khandai pu ar hajar khandai spa arpusan kat kum ka door X showroom ha kani ka sni play layo ya ka jing batai na manager kani ka showroom ubala batai shapang kani ka Vespa Tech ka Bathymmai bat ki bakwa ban thiet kila ban wan ha ka Aprila showroom ka badan hamau play.
Good morning everyone. We are working with Shadap automobiles when unveil the Vespa Tech scooty, which is a very new model launched just this month by the company Piaggio. Okay, and we are going to unveil and do the ribbon cutting. Our prestigious owner is going to cut the ribbon, and obviously we are going to be alongside it, and then I'm going to tell about the features of the vehicle, and then so on. We'll complete with the things and then have some refreshments and then move on with the ride. Okay, thank you. All LED lights. As you can see, the LEDs in the front as well as in the rear are all LEDs, the lights are. And then we have got blinkers also in order to pass, to overtake the vehicle, which is quite rare in other scooties. Okay, and then we'll show you one more functionality which can be used through the keyless, that is the boot open, that is like in the vehicles you can open the back side of the vehicle without touching, right? So here also in this scooty for the first time we have got that functionality where we can open the seat without touching the main the scooty. So these are the main features of the scooty. And with regards to other features, we will definitely let you know once you visit our showroom. And then we will let you know about the features and the pricing of the vehicle.
Like 15 seconds.
This main key is lost, then the emergency key can be used to open the back undercover. Yes. So, as I've already mentioned, this is the new Vespa Tech 125cc. We have got two variants in it, the 125cc, which is the S-Tech, and then the 150cc. Alright, so I'll just show you the features about it. The first main features, which is very anonymous in comparison to other brands, is that it has got a keyless functionality. I'll just show you the function. First of all, in order to operate this vehicle, the range should be within 5 meters. Okay, Basu, please, functionality. He will show you the functionality. As you can see, the blinkers are on. So that means it's under the range. Please come. Once the person is within the range, the scooty can be operated. Please come this side. One. As you can see, the TFT display is very new. All the functionalities are there which other brands have not yet incorporated in their scooties. That is, there is Bluetooth, which is common with other brands, but then there is navigation as well. Navigation to done, Bluetooth ka done with for calling on the phone, and then you will listen to music through earphones. Okay. Other main function. Second part is
Bisa try model Pak. Gimana sih try model?
the square headlight. It's a little bit different. The engine is the same.
Features?
Top model. Features will be almost the same. Kalau unta hai hair the looks.
Okay, looks.
The color the looks. The POE the color and the alloy the hair.
From Greenland.
Kelawan. Nah, kelawan itu bila pasti.